Hello and welcome. There is a kdenlive-windows version available and I'm going to test it. I think it's the third version that has been shared on the mailing list so far, and there has been one reply that was rather positive. It claimed that you can import projects, some stuff you have to redo, but you can actually render stuff. And last time I tried, that was I think the second version, the second version, I was not able to render. There were only WebM profiles possible. MPEG-4 was not available, so I prepared an MP4 file to import and 2 images, and hopefully we'll get something running. The first version I tried didn't even boot properly, unfortunately, but that was then soon corrected. Alright, here it is. Let's get it started. kdenlive.exe. Oh yeah. I don't want to recover, I just want to position this in the middle. Let's take a quick look at the render. Alright, so MPEG-4 H265 is not available, but MPEG-4 is good enough for me. Actually, it's my favorite. Okay, so that's good. Let's start by dragging one video in. Ah, damn it. Okay, maybe that's because it's a link. That's fair enough. So I'll just try dragging it from the actual folder. Oh, and it seems to work. Okay, I'm gonna change this to... Really? 720? I'm pretty sure I definitely recorded at 1080. Clip properties, maybe my screen size was wrong. Okay, clip properties. Ah, damn, I probably scaled down. Oh well, never mind. Could be worse. So, we have a clip in the project. It is actually preparing the thumbnail or audio thumbnail maybe. It seems to be done also. I'm gonna add the images. It seems to work. Let's put this on the timeline.
Hello and welcome.
And I can play back. This is amazing. Let me just resize this. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, I'll just get rid of some tracks. This is very amazing. Make some more room. Being available on Windows is the main thing that keeps kdenlive from lifting off and soaring through the airs of popularity. Okay, so I have this watermark. This is an actual video that I actually want to edit for my gaming channel.
I'm gonna do something different in Radenfield. I'm gonna try a pro mode. We have a maximum field of view. We have...
Alright. Just save this project real quick. Alright, here we go. And now we can check out the settings. I want to look into the timeline audio thumbnails. Let's use the non-FFmpeg one. For this we need to restart. And let's just start kdenlive again. Unfortunately, it doesn't remember its window position. That's a problem on Linux as well. Okay, we can load the project. It had a little glitch, but then it found the image files actually. It seems to rebuild the audio thumbnail, but this is because I changed the method of, generating the thumbnail, so that's actually what I wanted to happen. We are on a rather new system, not the best, but definitely not the worst. i5-6600, and it seems to be working fine. I'll keep that just behind our kdenlive window. So let's play back.
I'm gonna do something different in Radenfield. I'm gonna try
so this
mode.
Playing back raises the use
We have challenging bots, which are really
a
hard.
little bit at least. Yeah, I'm gonna try to edit this one. We can just Shift R, okay. Delete, everything seems to work. Yeah, you know what, we're just gonna do a little test render. It's really important also, once you have a project, you need to render it. So I and O works, the shortcuts for in and out points. And let's render. And I'm going to use the selected zone area and I'm going to render the file as MP4. So a little thing appeared at the top, rendering so-and-so path started. And here's the file, so let's play it back. Let's just resize this.
This time I'm gonna do
Alright, so the images appear correctly.
Pro mode. We have a maximum field
and disappear correctly.
Challenging bots, which are really...
Okay, so this seemed to be fine, except for this weird audio click at the end, but that's fine. Rendering was fast enough. Not the best performance. So now we're just gonna mute this channel so it doesn't annoy you anymore. This track. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some animations. Let me just move this stuff around. Okay, snapping works as well. And I want this one. I want to get from the bottom to where it is now. So let's add a transition. Yes, a transition. There was a rather new transition, Compositing Transform. I think that one is it. Yeah, because it has easing, a feature that is really needed. What just happened? Did you? So if I add this, do you see the image being transformed weirdly? This is not desired. Okay, so let's go to properties. Oh, this rotates automatically. Oh, and it stopped working. And okay, it crashes. No spikes or anything. Not sure why that happened. So I guess I will stay clear of that effect, reload the project, and we shall see how well it recovers. So I want to recover. Error opening file. Cannot open the project file. Error is unexpected end of file. Okay, so it already has some kind of stupid problems. Come on. Okay. Did I really not save that after I got stuff in? Okay, so that was weird. The in-out area is gone, so it didn't save my changes, I guess. Now we are going to do this again with a transition. Just going to save all the time, because apparently some things make it crash. Composite and transform, but the one we used had rotate. Composition mode, rotation angle. That's really not what I want. So I'm going to delete this. Composition, I don't know what that is. Composite seems to be what I want, but there's this other effect, I mean transition, which allows for eased movement. Okay, so I'm just going to add composite, and then I want to check for composite and transform. No, this is not what I want. Let's just go through the ranks. Dissolve, no. Grain extract, no. Hard light, no. Lighten. Let's get to the area where it is. Multiply, no. Region. I didn't know about that one. Saturation, slide. Maybe it is. Let's see. This time I'm gonna do... This looks good enough for me. So let's stick to slide, back down, and mute this one again. What? Cannot write the file? I guess because it has the file open or something. Test 2. Alright, so we created a new save file. And there it is. Slide in. What the... Alright, this is totally bugging out now. Alright, you know what? Just delete this, copy, paste. Alright, now it works. Just the wrong way. So let's change it to this and that. Now it works. Okay, check again. And here it comes in, and here it comes out. Perfect. Now let's do the same for the text. But I want it to appear from the, let's say, left. And then I want it to disappear to the right. Please work. Yes. Wait, what? It kind of slided from the bottom there. I don't want that, so I don't want to auto track it. I want it to use track 1. And this one as well, track 1. I mean video 1. There it goes, and there it leaves. Perfect. So yeah, it's hacky. I bet these damn it, I cannot overwrite. I press Ctrl S, but it doesn't work. Come on. Okay, Shift Ctrl S, test free. Okay, it works. Still works. That's beautiful. We're gonna just do some more things. For example, here there's definitely a gap where which I want to cut out when I'm in the game. All right, let's Ctrl R, cut this, and then I see the audio starting here, and cannot save. I have to keep making new files. So I'm gonna move this here, and let's have some kind of. Oh, you know, I'm just gonna play it safe. I'm gonna cut this. How do I do this? Yeah, I think this is good. I cut it, I put it on top, I move it here, snap, then let's snap, click the corner, and we have a transition. The game. That was a wrong transition. Wait, no, that's... Yeah, that was the wrong transition, so let's non-reverse it. The game. Alright. And the game. Alright, so yeah, so it lags kind of around this area. So let's set an in and out point, and let's test... Come on. Let's test the preview render. Wrong document ID. What? It doesn't even work at all anymore. Very weird.
In the game. Alright, so I
Okay.
made it into the game. I'm just gonna wait a little bit until my teammates are in to make it a little bit more fair.
Okay, so I can cut out
Alright, and here
some more. Okay, so let's...
fair.
Gonna move this a little bit more so we have more space to work with. Actually, how can I disable the thumbnails? They are kind of annoying. Yeah, I only need to see the audio. Okay, I'm gonna add another transition this time. Let's make it a bit longer, and instead of dissolve I want... What do I want? A wipe. Where are the wipes? What's going on here? That's weird. Yeah, I don't know. Let's just use slide instead. Alright.
Get a little bit more fair.
That's not what I wanted. I really wanted a wipe, but I guess they haven't been ported.
Get a little bit more
because
fair.
they probably don't work.
Alright, and here they are, and I'm actually gonna abuse the system. I'm killing some of them.
Right, I can hear some audio problems. This is because I recorded in stereo mode, so let's copy channels. That's what I want.
One base sooner than they can spawn.
Yeah, okay. That works fine. Now I want to also paste it to the other channels. Wait, shift... Did this work? Again, Control C. Click and Shift Control V. No? Shift Control Alt V. Thought this was supposed to work. Okay, so let's try paste effects. Yeah, that works.
My teammate.
All of the stuff. Oh, I don't want the images to have an effect. I'm sure that would cause a crash. Wait, what? Okay. Paste effects. I have a tutorial about pasting effects actually. Alright, now every channel has an effect like this. Just for fun, we're gonna play around with other effects.
So I'm not completely...
It looks like there are also no categories. That's strange. Usually there are kind of folders for effects. So why is there vignette and vignette effect? I don't know, but this one seems to work fine. And vertigo seems not to work fine. Maybe just wrong. No idea. What else? Wave.
This is ours.
Doesn't seem to want to work. I don't know, waveform?
And we're gonna try to take the...
No. Threshold. Okay, maybe a bit too much. Yeah, this kind of works.
Gas station as well.
Makes the audio a bit choppy,
so I'm
but
not completely...
cool effect. Timeout indicator. How does that work?
Honorable in my...
Alright. It doesn't seem to work. Maybe I should set some parameters first.
Tactics
Sobel, no idea what that is, doesn't work. Saturator. Oh, nice.
Use it as much as I can, actually.
That looks kind of awesome.
Yes, this space is ours as well.
Fake HDR.
Let's see. They have
Alright,
not spawned
we're gonna
yet,
keep
so
that. Obscure.
My
Yeah.
thinking was probably correct.
But
Unless,
of course, no. Light graffiti.
They make their spawn decision
Wow.
very early. Okay, this is super risky, so I'm gonna just
this is
buzz
kind of
off,
awesome.
like the helicopter that I
Is this
am.
even intended?
Okay, probably I'm gonna get shut down now.
Nice.
The main thing is...
Alright, what else do we have? Dust. Yeah, let's put dust. Because this map I'm playing is actually called Dust Bowl. Let's increase dust a bit. Let's get rid of these two. Yeah, this is a bit...
view of these guys. Okay, so let's see.
A bit too much.
Yeah, they spawned here. My teammates spawned here, and now they are hopefully gonna kill the enemy.
This is ridiculous. Colorize. Nah. Is this keyframeable? Reset. Not yet, I think. Okay, let's forget about this one. Alright, so I think this is quite enough. Much stuff works, other stuff doesn't work. It's amazing that so much works already. I'm really happy about this. I really look forward to an official release for Windows.
Advantage.
I really didn't expect a version so stable to appear before the year ends. That's awesome. For the end, let's just try another render. Outpoint it here and inpoint it at the front. We're just gonna cut out some stuff to save some time. And we're gonna do a webm this time. Selected zone and render. Alright, so here it is. Let's see, 2-point webm. And it works. Yes, it works.
I'm gonna do something different in Ravenfield. I'm gonna try
The images work correctly.
We have chat moment, so let's
see
back when I'm in the game.
There.
Right, so
Soft transition worked fine.
I'm just gonna wait a little bit until
and the slide transition is coming in now.
Make it a little bit more fair.
Alright,
and here
seems to work as well.
I'm actually gonna abuse the system and killing some of them.
Alright, wonderful. I'm super glad to see so much progress has been made. So yeah, stay tuned for an official Windows release. Let's see how quick they get this done. This is great. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to be the first to see my future reviews of kdenlive and other video editing software, etc, etc. And write a comment if you have anything to share about this, what you think about kdenlive being available on Windows. So see you next time, and have fun editing videos. Ciao!